Hello and welcome to Fund to Money. Here we're going to discuss some queries that have been sent to us by our YouTube viewers. They pertain to various banking related matters, whether it's overdrafts, it's home loans, car loan against property, and credit score. So these are some of the areas where our YouTube viewers have asked us questions, and we're going to answer them, and we are very sure that it's going to be useful to all the others who are subscribers to the channel and our social media followers, and of course other people as well. So we're going to come up with those questions and give their answers, but in just a little while. Welcome back. Welcome to Fund to Money. We are going to be discussing some questions which our YouTube viewers have sent in to us, and they pertain to a whole host of topics related to banking. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, they pertain to overdrafts, home loans, car loans, credit score, loan against property. So I'll be reading them out to you from paper, and I'll be providing the answers to you. So one important thing is, please go to the description section, because we're going to give two links related to one of the answers, or rather two of the questions whose answers we will be giving. Links would be provided in the description section. In any case, for all our videos and audios, podcasts, we provide a description of the content, and their edited content is there, and also you get links to playlists as well. So you can also follow the playlist. So let's get started with the question. And so the first question, or rather the first two questions, relate to overdrafts. Now Mansoor Ahmed is asking that he had taken an OD, overdraft, against his FD, and it's in auto renew mode. The FD maturity date is October 2020. He's asking if for some reason he's not able to make full repayment of the OD outstanding, will there be an extension? And basically he wants to know the details, right? So there's not going to be any extension happening. The OD account is going to get closed. Rather, when the FD gets closed, the OD outstanding will get settled. So whatever outstanding you have, when the FD gets closed, it will get squared off. Whatever your outstanding amount will get deducted, right? So that's number one. Swadhyaya channel. The question has come from there. Again, it pertains to overdraft. The individual has asked this question. The bank provided the individual with overdraft loan through an FD. When it expires, will it be deducted from the fixed deposit or some other way? Wanted to know. So like the previous question, yes, on maturity of the FD, if the repayment hasn't happened, otherwise then it will get squared off, it will get adjusted with the maturity FD amount, right? Now there's a loan against property question that's coming from Srinivas CH. He wants to know whether it's compulsory to take insurance in loan against property. Yes, Srinivas, you have to take property insurance for loan against property. So that's an important detail. It's worth pointing it out to others as well, because loan against property is fairly popular, as anybody who will go through the loan against property video in our channel will be able to testify, right? Now there's a car loan question, and that's coming from Tabish TH. So it's a sad case here, and there's a grievance out here, and it's not unusual at all. These things keep happening, unfortunately. Now he's already paid his car loan. That's what Tabish TH is saying, and he has not been given the no due certificate or NOC. Also, they are not responding to his email and call. Now here we would like to tell you that we have done some car loan videos. You can go through them, but this is a very interesting area which we haven't covered yet, and we possibly, if more people want us to, we'll cover this. Now NOC is important. If you don't get the NOC, the ownership is not getting transferred to your name. So he's got a practical problem. So what does he do? Now, according to us, he should be doing two things. One, we are giving you the link of the National Consumer Helpline. So you go there and put in your complaint. Okay. Of course, before that, if on their website, etc., and other places there are complaints mechanism where you can write an email complaining, or you have a grievance, you can put in that, because if you have that record, then you have that. If things get escalated, you can actually say that, okay, I went and I did this, made this complaint, and the company didn't respond. So then you can go to the National Consumer Helpline, and apart from that, what you could also do is we are giving that link as well. You can go to RBI site, and you can go to the NBFC complaints area, and you can put in your complaint out there, and you can give all the details, etc. And hopefully things will get sorted out. You can also put in the complaint on their various social media platforms, because that will put in a little bit more of pressure on them. So these are some of the things that you could do to actually sort this thing out. It's very unfortunate that you paid your loan in full and you're not getting the NOC, which is required to transfer your car ownership in your name. So all the best to Tabish from all of us here. Now there's a question on credit score. It comes from Internet and Xerox MAA. So but the individual's name is Pradeep. He's from Kakinada, and the upshot of his question is this: that he took a loan from Vijay Bank in 2016. It was with 2-year tenure. He couldn't pay up the loan. But finally he paid all his installments in 2020. Now he checks up his credit score and he finds it's a lowly to 550. So he says, how come this has happened? What is the reason? Now this is a very important thing which everybody should remember. If you are defaulting on your loans, even if you pay up later, what happens is it's going to make an impact on your credit score, because your commitment was to pay regularly. It is not about paying whenever it's convenient for you, right? That is why it is important that you take a loan only when you think you can repay. Now there are lots of conditions where things may go south and things may not go your way. So all is not lost. What you could do is, now that you have repaid the loan, what you could do is try and improve your credit score. How can you do that? What you could do is get an FD done, right? Take a loan against the FD, or take a credit card or something like that against your FD, and keep repaying on time. Okay, so what you will find is, over a period of say 1, 2, 3 years, your credit score is improving because you're showing a good credit loan repayment track record, right? So whatever got messed up with this Vijay Bank thing will get sorted out with that new behavior. So you would have proven to any future potential lender that you have turned over to a new leaf, or things are better with you and you're a credit-worthy individual, right? So this is something that you need to keep in mind, right? So our final question is about home loan from somebody. The name is Unique Total Gas. Now again, an unfortunate incident here, unfortunate case here. The home loan has been paid in full. The documents are not coming his or her way. Now, there's no reason why you should not be getting the documents. So you need to check out if there is some kind of a detail that's gone missing, something that has not happened, right? So if that doesn't get sorted out normally, because these are all it's a digitized process, so therefore they will not be able to kick in that final procedure. So you need to check whether something is missing, has got missing in terms of your compliance, or something you had to do, right? Now, even if that is not working out, then the procedure is same as what we told, the answer that we gave in the car loan question. Go and make a complaint in the complaint section on the website or app or whatever, right? So that will keep a record of that, maybe a screenshot or something like that. Keep a record of that, and then what happens is, if still there is no response, then what you do is, number one, go to the National Consumer Helpline, put in your complaint out there, keep a record of that, go to the RBI link. All the links are given below, as I mentioned. Click there, put in your complaint out there in that section, and keep a record, and hopefully this will get sorted out. If things don't get sorted out, then you'll have to obviously take it to the consumer court or something like that. There are other options. but hopefully in case of large organization, when you escalate it like this, things don't get messed up. You can always put in your complaint, even in their social media. People do respond, they do sort it out. People do mess up, large organization do mess up, but when you escalate it in the right way, things do get sorted out. So this would be the sequence that we would suggest. So hopefully a lot of these things would be useful to a lot of the people who are watching this or hearing this. We thought that this would be useful to a larger audience, so we thought of doing making this coverage. Keep writing into us, it's great fun doing research for your questions, trying to get answers for them, and we continue to hope giving answers to you. So till the next time, take very good care of yourself, and goodbye.